Hi, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast.
Yes, welcome. Today is day 5.
Day 5 of our 30-day English challenge. Can you believe it?
5 days already. Great job, everyone. You are doing amazing.
And hey, if you are new here, please click that subscribe button. It's free, and it helps you learn English every single day with us.
Yes, and don't forget the little bell icon too, so you never miss a new video.
Okay, Mark, are you ready for today's topic?
I'm always ready. What are we talking about today?
Today, we're talking about our evening and night routine.
Ooh, I love this topic, because at night, I relax. I rest.
Me too. So today, we will use simple words, easy words, and we will repeat them many times so you remember them.
Perfect. Let's start.
Okay, Mark. First question. What time do you finish work?
I finish work at 6 o'clock, 6 p.m.
6 p.m. Okay. And what do you do after work?
After work, I go home. I go home by car.
Nice. And what do you say when you arrive home?
I say, I'm home. And my family says, welcome home.
That's so sweet. Now it's your turn to ask me, Mark.
Okay. Lisa, what time do you finish work?
I finish work at 5 o'clock, 5 p.m.
And what do you do first when you get home?
First, I take off my shoes. Then I wash my hands.
Good habit. Very clean. Key phrases. I finish work at, / I finish school at, I go home. I'm home. Arrow. Welcome home. I take off my shoes. I wash my hands.
Okay, next, dinner time. Mark, what time do you eat dinner?
I eat dinner at 7 o'clock with my family.
Nice. Do you cook or does someone else cook?
Sometimes I cook. Sometimes my wife cooks. We cook together.
Teamwork. What is your favorite dinner?
My favorite dinner is chicken and rice. Simple, but delicious. And you, Lisa? What time do you eat dinner?
I eat dinner at 8 o'clock. A little late.
And what do you usually eat?
I usually eat soup or pasta. Something warm and light.
Sounds healthy. Key phrases. I eat dinner at, I cook, / we cook together. My favorite dinner is, I usually eat.
After dinner, what do you do to relax, Mark?
After dinner, I watch TV. I love watching the news.
Just the news?
No. Sometimes I watch a movie too, with my family.
That's nice. Family time.
Yes. And you, Lisa? How do you relax at night?
I relax by reading a book. I love reading before bed.
What kind of books do you read?
I read storybooks, or sometimes I listen to music.
Music is relaxing too.
Very relaxing. It helps me feel calm. Key phrases. I watch TV, / I watch a movie. I relax by reading a book. I listen to music. It helps me feel calm. Okay, now the important part. Getting ready for bed.
Ah, yes. My favorite part of the night.
Mark, what do you do before bed?
First, I brush my teeth. Then, I put on my pajamas.
Good routine. Do you take a shower at night or in the morning?
I take a shower at night. It helps me sleep better. And you, Lisa? What is your bedtime routine?
I brush my teeth too. Then I wash my face.
Every night?
Every single night. It's very important. After that, I set my alarm for the morning.
Smart. I do that too. Key phrases. I brush my teeth. I put on my pajamas. I take a shower. I wash my face. I set my alarm.
Last question. What time do you go to sleep, Mark?
I go to sleep at 10:30 p.m.
That's early. Good for you.
Yes, because I wake up early too, at 6 a.m.
Makes sense. And what do you say before sleeping?
I say good night to my family. And you, Lisa? What time do you go to sleep?
I go to sleep at 11 o'clock. A little late, I know.
That's okay. Everyone is different.
True. And I always say sweet dreams before I close my eyes.
I love that phrase. Sweet dreams. Key phrases. I go to sleep at. I wake up at. Good night. Sweet dreams.
Okay, everyone. Let's put it all together. Here is my full evening routine. Simple and easy. I finish work at 5. I eat dinner at 8. I read a book. I brush my teeth. I go to sleep at 11.
Perfect. Short sentences. Easy words. That's how you speak English every day.
Exactly. You don't need big, difficult words, just simple, clear sentences.
And remember, everyone, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Speaking slowly is okay. Speaking simply is okay.
Yes, the important thing is you are speaking. You are practicing every single day.
That's how you become confident in English.
Okay, now it's your turn. Here is today's practice question.
What do you do before you go to sleep?
Write your answer in the comments below. Use simple sentences, just like we did today.
For example, I brush my teeth. I read a book. I go to sleep at 10.
Yes, try it and we will read your comments.
If you enjoyed today's episode, please give us a like and share this video with a friend who is learning English too.
And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss day 6 tomorrow.
Tomorrow's topic is a surprise, but it's a good one.
See you tomorrow, everyone.
Good night and sweet dreams.
Bye-bye.